hit it with a sledgehammer. 3, 2, 1. This is the brand new Vaunt X heavy duty wheelbarrow, the ultimate upgrade for builders, landscapers, and anyone who demands more than just a standard wheelbarrow. Now this is a new and improved version. Let's take a look at what's changed. Now at the heart of the Vaunt X heavy duty wheelbarrow is this. This is a 32mm single piece steel frame. This is the standout feature of the wheelbarrow. Made from thick 1.5mm wall steel tubing, this is a single continuous design, which means no joins, no weak spots, just pure uninterrupted strength built for the harshest site conditions. Now it's not just the fact it's a steel frame that makes this so strong, because if I flip the wheelbarrow over, what you can see here is a single reinforced crossplate. That's 4mm thick steel. And also all the major stress points here are reinforced with a 4.5mm steel plating, so you know it's going to be super strong. Now this frame is also fully galvanised, which means completely resistant to rust both inside and out, and that will last even after years of heavy use. Now you can also see these thick welded support bars on the bottom. These are going to help strengthen and stabilise the whole load area. But how strong is this steel frame? Well, let's find out. Right, so the logical way to test the strength of this metal frame is obviously hit it with a sledgehammer. So it's a 14-pound sledgehammer. Let's see how the Vaunt X heavy duty wheelbarrow holds up. Ready? I'm actually genuinely very impressed, because this is a heavy sledgehammer, and I'm giving it a proper hit and there's nothing happening. Right, come on over, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do next, because this is standing up to the task even better than I was expecting it to. So this here is the supporting plate, it's 4mm steel. I'm going to hit that with everything I've got. Right, ready? Genuinely impressed. I mean, it's got some chips on it, but like, what wouldn't have some chips on it? You'd have some chips on you if I hit you with a sledgehammer that odd. Look at that, the Vaunt X heavy duty wheelbarrow. I mean, this is going so well, I'm going to find what I would imagine to be the weakest point, which is probably these supporting bars here. But if the rest of this is anything to go by, then I don't think we're going to find any difference. Let's see how we get on. Some minor scratches, but that is doing so well. So it's also worth testing this on the front here. I think this could be the weakest part of the frame, so obviously let's just hit it with a sledgehammer and see what happens. I mean, look, we're getting a tiny bit of denting. I'm quite impressed with the Vaunt X wheelbarrow's frame, to be honest, and I knew I would be, but this has outperformed even my expectations. Maybe there's one more test that we can do. So the second test is obviously got to be a drop test. We've come up to the top of our scissor lift. We're up high in the warehouse. Let's see how the Vaunt X heavy duty wheelbarrow survives the fall. Are you ready? Right, 3, 2, 1. It looks from here like it's done all right. We'll come down and have a look. All right, so we're back on solid ground. Time to have a look, see how it survived. And to be honest, if I flip it upside down, I mean, you can see where it landed. There's a little scratch on the reinforced plates, but that's what the plates are there for, to provide a little bit of a buffer. Other than that, you would not know what's just happened to it. This is seriously strong. Now, sitting on top of this reinforced frame is this premium 100-litre tray. Now, the materials that this is made out of means that you're getting extra flexibility, better shock absorption, and even noise reduction, making it suitable for the heaviest workloads without becoming brittle over time. Now, because no two job sites are the same, the Vaunt X heavy duty wheelbarrow actually comes with 3 different wheel options. All 3 of these wheels can support up to 150 kilograms. And so in front of me here, I've got the standard wheel, so this is going to give you a good amount of grip and smooth running on the hard surfaces. If you want a little bit more security, this one here on the orange wheelbarrow, that's actually puncture proof. It's filled with foam, so you're not going to get any unexpected flats while you're actually using the wheelbarrow. And then on my left here, we've got a deep tread wheel. So that's if you're working in really boggy conditions, really unstable, unsteady ground, this has got a 25mm tread on it, so that you're going to get a really good grip over those surfaces. But it's worth mentioning that with that one, because obviously the tread is so thick, if you're running across normal hard ground, then it's not quite as steady as the other wheel options. Now, compared to the Vaunt's heavy duty wheelbarrow, this Vaunt X one takes the strength and durability even further. Now, this one is still a strong model, it's got the reinforced 3-plate design, but with this one having its single frame, premium tray and adjustable wheels, this one is going to be suitable for the most extreme job sites. And with this frame being made out of the full galvanised steel, you know the strength's going to last and there's going to be no rust getting in at all. So if you're shifting rubble, moving wet cement or hauling heavy pavers, the Vaunt X heavy duty wheelbarrow will take it all in its stride. Stronger frame, smarter materials, more durability when it counts. This is the Vaunt X heavy duty wheelbarrow. It's brand new and it's available at its.co.uk.